Hi, in order to install the latest version of the Safari web clipper, you first need to uninstall your current version. For this, you need to go to Safari, Preferences, and find the extension. You then click on Uninstall and confirm your action. As you can see, I have successfully removed the extension. Now you need to install the newest version of the web clipper. For this, you need to click on Develop, Show Extension Builder, Continue. Click on the plus sign right here and select Add Extension. You now need to select the folder that you extracted the zip file to, which is this folder for me, and click on Select. You will be asked for a password after you click Run. It is your account password, and then you click on OK. The newest version of the web clipper is now installed. You can see the version number right here. Thank you.